Hello my beautiful people, how are you all doing? Yeah, today is going to be unbox day, okay? Because I'm taking my YouTube channel. I just want to take it to another level. Let's just level up. So I got this package from Amazon, okay? So I'm going to unpack everything now so that you will see what I got. And out of the two things that I ordered, there is one thing that give me that's make my joy to overflow. Yeah, I have not tested it. I don't know how it will be sounding. I don't know how it's gonna be, but yeah. What you don't buy, you don't buy it. Yeah, I have bought it, so I have to test it and know how it's working. So let me just open it and are you seeing the catcher? Let me open it and see what they have for me. Okay. So and this one. You see one thing, I see things they have in just put all the big parts because inside. These are what they put inside here. Because of this. Yeah. Look at. Oh my god. They just packed this so well. This is tripod. Yeah. This is tripod. So but this one is so simple and also priced. It's not too expensive. Let me not just do this thing somehow. Let me just open it with a good mind. Because if I do my own, if it's not good, I just tear everything once and for all. But let me just do it with a good thing. Yeah. So I wanted to get this ring lights, but I ordered this after ordering. I now remember this is not exactly what I want to buy, but I said okay, not bad. Look at, hey, look at. I can even travel with it. I can if you are going out there, you go outside, or you want to go to somewhere they are doing stores, you can just carry it and go there and make your video. Yeah, this one I'm going to tear you. Yeah, no need to be doing it because I'm not sure I'm taking it back. Anyhow it is, I'm going to use it. Hey, look at. Wow, I think you have to adjust it here. And look at, wow. Oh my god. Look at how long this is. Just look at, oh my god, this is amazing. Okay, now that I'm sitting down, I'm sitting on the couch, if you just do it this level, it will be okay. Oh my god. And if you are standing up, you just take it up. Only just when you want to take the size up, when you want to reduce it, you just clip it here, it will reduce. If you want to take it up, open it here and open the side too. Wow, excellent. This is so nice. Oh, this is so nice. Let me get something that fell down. Oh, those are the things that you still need to add that will hold your camera. Look at, oh my god. You see, you just put it here. And this one, wow. And this one, you also add it here. You see, you just turn it, you add it here. If you want to put your phone like this or you want to put it like this, So just do it the way you like, but the length is so amazing. You can just stand up and be doing your video. You see the length. Oh my god, it's so amazing. I'm happy about what I bought. It's so nice. This is from Amazon, in case if you want to get it. And look at the back. Or if you're going out, if you're making travel, if you're doing travel, just put it in your bag and you move. So the second one is this. I opened this thing because today that I'm doing this video, you know, my son, yeah, he's now in primary school. So this thing that I bought, like this children watch for him too, so they pack it together. That's why I opened this one first. And this is a pelempe. I will be microphoning. Okay, you see it? Oh my god. Okay, I saw. Look at one. You just put it here. Look at this. Is so nice. Mini microphone. Oh, I don't even know. You know, I used to see people, they put it like this, you know. And I will try. I don't know if it will change my voice, but I know on my phone is just okay and with the sound, but I think with this one it will increase the, you know, you can put this thing, when you put it in your phone like this, then I think maybe you connect it with something with your phone. I will still check how the thing works. So this microphone is, oh my god. This is what I want to buy, and I saw it, they did hang boats. How much did I buy itself? I'm sure it's not up to 30 euro. Yeah, but even if it's at that, but there's nowhere it will be 40 euro. Okay, there's nowhere. I'm not sure the price I got it, because I got some things, I got another thing for my son, so you know, I don't even know, but I'm very sure that it's not up to 40 euro. And this is so nice. But when I test it, maybe another video that I will do, I will try to use it to see the sound. I would like to see the difference of the sound. So this is what I said. Let me come and show you people. Yeah, this is so nice. I love it. And please keep subscribing, keep sharing, keep liking, comment, and thank you to all my new subscribers. You people are highly welcome. I appreciate you all. And my old VIPs, thank you so much, and keep doing the good things that you are doing. I appreciate. Cheers.